if una dey come out for una house, make una dey careful, because now Nigerian soldiers they work with measuring tape. All those tape wey tailors dey use, they go measure you. Now they get what? Abeg government give us the required measurement, so that as we dey comot for house, you go check mirror, know where the clothes dey reach, because now they flog people. They flog people wey dress anyhow according to them, indecent dressing. So hey, they waka with measuring tape now. If they see you for road, hey, come here, they go measure you. If wetin you wear short pass the required measurement, your own don finish be that. Now so this soldier just meet this girl, dey waka for road on her own jeje. Hey, na so he start dey flog. If you see flog, I no even sure say they beat person, like even robbers. If you see how they flog, like say na him father, like say na him papa, he flog. Oh, see, for now we never watch this video. Let's go there.
Liba now.
Una don't see him. Una don't see how he flogged this guy. Oh, I beg, let me put this man picture. You. Are they sure say you like that guy? Are they? Because now, see, he get the one where if you toast girl finish, the girl no green, now so you go just misbehave. Are they sure say maybe he ask the girl, you want run 1 or 2 with the girl, where the girl say no. He come turn am to him. No, her dressing was not decent. Your children are in the house. Have they dressed finish? Your dressing is not decent. Or you are now her father. You be in papa now. Where they try checking dressing. See, all these people I don't understand, because see, if you now understand what they talk, now go they feel me. Boko Haram come, they terrorize everywhere. They terrorize people. They not come out they not come out say they go do their work. They even they hide, because even them they fear the Boko Haram people. Why you not come outside? Soldiers, when Boko Haram they reign everywhere. Boko Haram, we not come outside and not do anything about the case. But now you they face. See, are they vex? Now you they face citizens wearing dress no fine. Wetin concern you and people dress? Wetin concern you? See, all these things they pay me because you know fit try am abroad. Abroad, their system they different, they smooth. Not be so they kidnap one US guy for Niger. See how they rescue the guy, no stress. They strategize the whole thing. They rescue him. Nigeria, try him. Like I tell you, if you be Nigerian, where they kidnap you for any other country, now die be your name. No even bother yourself, no stress yourself, because nobody go rescue you. You go just die in silence. We go just hear say, this person was kidnapped, and they go even they lie on top that we tried to rescue him, but na lie. All are lies. Una no even know what all these things. They make me laugh. They make me laugh. So my people, I want know your opinion for this matter. The thing, how they do you, what you think, and waiting you no think. I won't know am. Drop her there. I will get back to you. Now here be the Aproko Show. Don't forget any news where you find, you go get her for this place. See ya later. Ladies, we dey suffer. My people, ladies, they try all in the name of love. Wetin love never do people for this life. Love. They beat one woman. All in the name of marry me, marry me. Now by force to marry. I not understand. We women, we get problem. We get serious. No, our problem na follow come. We get serious problem. Now so we hear say this girl now 29 years old. Anyway, maybe as age not dey on her side. No go to blame am sha. So she dey date this boy the relationship dey go well. Before you know it na so she carry load move inside man house. How you go move inside man house when man never give you ring? Even your people no even know say una dey. Hey, Jesus Christ. Frustration na bad thing o. Frustration, may you never experience that thing. When person don frustrate, you fit do anything. She carry load enter man house. Her people no know, the man people too no know. Na so she carry load enter, bam. Say, I must marry. As she enter now, na so they come dey stay o. They sleep together, she dey cook. You know wetin be our problem, women? We go dey girlfriend state, we don dey act as wives. Who marry you? Everything they do together, and now she dey expect make the man put ring for finger. Haba. If they give you plate of food make you chop, you don belle full. They go bring another one, you go still chop. No na it be the point where they try make now. The man don chop, you don overfeed am all round. Different things. And now you wan make wetin you never see when you want. He don see you finish, you don chop your food finish. You know, no difference. So him putting a ring on your finger will not make any change. So there's no need for him to marry you. Now so the girl carry load, enter, they come, they leave, do everything together. Now so one day the girl come tell the man, baby, you've not proposed to me, come and propose. The boy vex. If you see beating where this girl receive, I'm not sure say any artist for this life they design person like that. They beat shake gay come up for this girl body. All in the name of marry me. Now by force. No be by force now. I don't understand. No be by force. Ladies, make una try get sense. Try get sense. They know right am anywhere say if you no marry you will die. So I don't understand. Make una get sense. I pity am sha. I pity that girl. Now she don't learn lesson. In her next word, now she go even they reject marriage. No, I come against marriage. Now herself, nobody go tell her anything. Now so it be. When you taste something, nobody go teach you again. So make una learn from this one. Make una learn. Women. No be by force to marry. Learn now. Anyhow, I go leave una here with this one, because this matter, make I know as una dey feel. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share and like this video. As I talked before, my husband feel dey watch, share and make it see me as I know fine. I too fine. Anyhow, I will see you later.